everyone, welcome back to my channel Be Competent in English quiz. Today's quiz is going to test your understanding and knowledge of pronouns. Pronouns, as you all know, are words that take the place of nouns in the sentence. There are different types of pronouns. However, the quiz is related to personal pronouns, which are categorized as first person refers to the person speaking or writing, second person refers to the person being spoken to, and third person refers to the person or thing being spoken about. Personal pronouns have both singular and plural forms and can be either the subject or the object in the sentence. Here is the list of the personal pronouns for your reference. First person, singular. Subject, I, object, me. Plural, subject, we, object, us. Second person, singular. Subject, you, object, your. Plural, subject, you, object, your. Third person, singular. Subject, he, she, it. Object, him, her, its. Plural, subject, they, object, them. So let's start the quiz. There are 20 questions in the quiz, and you have to fill in the blank with the appropriate personal pronouns. You can refer to the given list of personal pronouns anytime. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. If you need more time, you can pause the video at your convenience. Are you ready now? Complete the sentence with the correct personal pronouns. Number 1. Ali is very happy because has passed the exams with flying colors. Correct answer, he. Ali is very happy because he has passed the exams with flying colors. Number 2. My dog and I are inseparable. Therefore, always go walking in the morning. Correct answer, B. My dog and I are inseparable. Therefore, we always go walking in the morning. Number 3. The chocolate ice cream is very yummy. Where did you get? Correct answer, it. The chocolate ice cream is very yummy. Where did you get it? Number 4. I enjoy reading Harry Potter. It takes to the fantasy world. Correct answer, me. I enjoy reading Harry Potter. It takes me to the fantasy world. Number 5. I bought this car for my mother. Often drives it on the weekends. Correct answer, she. I bought this car for my mother. She often drives it on the weekends. Number 6. This is Mr. Smith. Do you know? Correct answer, him. This is Mr. Smith. Do you know him? Number 7. There are many rooms in the hotel, but all of are occupied. Correct answer, them. There are many rooms in this hotel, but all of them are occupied. Number 8. My mother and father live in Toronto, always visit on vacation. Correct answers: I and them. My mother and father live in Toronto. I always visit them on vacation. Number 9. Maria and Sarah are sisters. Share the same room. Correct answer: they. Maria and Sarah are sisters. They share the same room. Number 10. I don't know Anna's grandparents. Do know? Correct answers: you and them. I don't know Anna's grandparents. Do you know them? Number 11. I met Razi yesterday. Has just graduated from the university. Correct answer: he. I met Razi yesterday. He has just graduated from the university. Number 12. Friends and I are going to the beach. Do you want to join? Correct answers: my and us. My friends and I are going to the beach. Do you want to join us? Number 13. Michelle has a brother and sister. Brother is 30 and sister is 25. Correct answers: her and her. Michelle has a brother and sister. Her brother is 30 and her sister is 25. Number 14. John doesn't like job. It is not very interesting. Correct answer: his. John doesn't like his job. It is not very interesting. Number 15. We are celebrating New Year's Eve. We are going to invite all friends. Correct answer: are. We are celebrating New Year's Eve. We are going to invite all our friends. Number 16. Are those books on the shelf? Correct answer: your. Are those your books on the shelf? Number 17. We can get parcel from the post office. Correct answer: are. We can get our parcel from the post office. Number 18. Mike wants to meet old colleagues but don't want to meet correct answers: his, they and him. Mike wants to meet his old colleagues but they don't want to meet him. Number 19. Mr. and Mrs. Rahman live in Tokyo but daughter lives in Paris. Correct answer: there. Mr. and Mrs. Rahman live in Tokyo but their daughter lives in Paris. Number 20. Have enjoyed the quiz on Be Competent in English. Correct answer: I, you, we and they. For example, I have enjoyed the quiz on Be Competent in English. You have enjoyed the quiz on Be Competent in English. They have enjoyed the quiz on Be Competent in English. we have enjoyed the quiz on Be Competent English. Hope guys you have understood and enjoyed the quiz. Let me know how many you got correct out of 20 in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting quizzes. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Be Competent in English. See you in the next video. Bye for now.